When evaluating a logarithm, most calculators can do this very easily. Most of them have a button for log and ln. However, most cannot evaluate a log for a base that is not 10 or e. So how do we get around this? We do this by using the change of base formula. And there are two specific ones we're going to go over. Both actually give the same answer, so pick the one you think is best. The first one is log base b of m, which is equal to log m over log b. Or you can use log base b of m equals ln m over ln b. Again, pick the one you think is best. I like the ln one better because it's a little bit less writing, but that's just me. So let's go and use the first one. We're going to do log base 3 of 22, and we're going to change it using one of the two. In fact, I'm going to actually use both to show that they're the exact same. So log base 3 of 22 is going to be log 22 over log 3. And this is the exact same as ln 22 over ln 3. Now, what is it when we put it in the calculator because we want to round it to 6 decimal places? Well, what we do is we just take our calculator and we plug it in and see what happens. So let's do the first one. Log of 22 divided by log of 3. Now be careful to close your parentheses off, because if you don't, it may give you an answer and it may not be the right one. So make sure to close your parentheses when you're done with them. Hit enter, and I get this answer, looking pretty nice. If I do it again, ln of 22 divided by ln 3. Again, make sure you close your parentheses off. Look at that, the exact same answer. So when I round this to 6 decimal places, I get 2.813588. So I've used the change of base formula, and then I plugged it in, and I got this decimal approximation. Again, use whichever one you prefer, whether it's log or ln. Next, I have log base 4 of 19. And again, I'm going to go with what I prefer to use. I'm going to use ln. So I'm going to get ln of 19 over ln 4. So what is that? I have no idea. That's what this is for. Use the calculator to do the heavy lifting. So ln 19 divided by ln 4. Again, close parentheses. I got to emphasize that. And we get this. 2.123964 as our answer. And here we have log base root 5 of 30. The root seems weird. Seems to be a little bit scary, but again, it's just there to spook you. It doesn't do anything special. When we use our change of base formula, we're just going to get ln 30 over ln root 5. Again, I have no idea what that is. It doesn't really matter because the calculator does. So ln of 30, close parentheses, divided by ln of square root of 5. And we end up getting this. So to 4 decimal places, or 6, excuse me, 4.226566. And that is our answer for this one. Now I'm just going to emphasize really quickly, you've got to use your parentheses. But if you don't, what would happen? How bad could it possibly be? Well, let's say I don't close it right there, and I just keep going. ln of square root of 5. And I don't close any of my parentheses. It ain't right. It ain't close to right. It's way off. So make sure you close your parentheses, otherwise it'll give you an answer and you may not realize it, that it's actually the wrong one.